Your hiccup might be a 400 million year old gill reflex. When you hiccup, your diaphragm jerks and throat shuts. That suction clamp is how a tadpole breathes water. Scientists think it's a leftover from amphibian ancestors. In a tadpole, a brainstem circuit closes the mouth and compresses gills to breathe. As it grows lungs, that circuit switches to air. But the wiring didn't vanish. In us, it still fires, causing a sharp inhale with closed throat, a hiccup. It's common in babies like old software. The brainstem is ancient, so old reflexes hang around. Hiccups are still mysterious, and this is just a hypothesis. The similarity is striking. Next time you hiccup, you're feeling your inner tadpole.